Well, if you're a 3D artist and you need to make ends meet, you need to make sure that you have diversity in income, right? So in other words, you need to make sure that you got more than one money stream coming in. Now, I did a video about this a long time ago where I talked about selling models online as one of those money flows, and there are a bunch of sites where you can do this. Sketchfab, however, came up with a new method, and this is a game changer, and I'll tell you why. Okay, let's check it out. Here we go. Okay guys, so what's so special about the new store on Sketchfab? Well, of course you can buy and sell models here. It's pretty easy to set up an account. You just go to become a seller. I'll show you guys that first. It will show you a little video on what's what, and you can apply for a seller account, which is very straightforward and easy. And then when that's all done, you get an email, you confirm that, and you're ready to go. Okay, so just read through this, nothing fancy. Okay, so once that's done, you are ready to start selling your models. So how that traditionally works is you upload the model file, the texture file, the normal map, the diffuse and AO and all that kind of cool stuff, and then you wait for people to buy it. Okay, so what's so special? Well, I'm going to show you guys an example of a model that has been uploaded. It's a model of a wasp, and let me just pull that up, which is this guy right here. And what's kind of cool is it displays the model as only Sketchfab can do that, and you've probably seen this before. But in this case, it's fully animated because this is an animated model, and you can flip this around and go in and check it out in great detail. So you got the little hairs in the back there, all that kind of cool stuff. Okay. So on the right hand side, you have the information that you would expect on a 3D model selling site. And so you have the geometry, the number of quads, triangles, file size, whether it's been UV'd, rigged, and whatnot. However, the magic button is right here, inspect the model, and that's what this is all about. Okay, so let's take this wasp right here and let's go in and actually click on that. So what do we get? So we get this on the left here, which allows us in 3D mode or in 3D and 2D mode or just in 2D mode, kind of similar to something you would see in Substance Painter, to go in and check this out on layer basis. So let's go to our normal map. We click on that, and what you get is an animated representation of the normal map on the model while it is moving. How cool is that, right? So as a potential customer, I know exactly what I'm getting. So I can go in and say, I want to see my AO map. Same deal. And if I want that to be represented in 3D and 2D, I can just click on this button right here, and there you have it. So like I said, for me, this is a game changer because I would expect people that create models that are not that good, they would stay away from this website, right? Because they will be fully exposed, so to speak. So if you have good quality stuff, I would say this is something you definitely need to check out, right? So I'm going to do that for sure. I'm going to do a follow-up video on this, I would say in a couple of months, to let you guys know how that worked out for me. But that said, hopefully you will check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so thank you for checking out this video, and more videos to come as per usual. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.